Hey everyone, it's Uncle Steve and Nephew Scott here. We are at 178 Golden Meadow Drive in beautiful Kingswood Estates.
Guys, this is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the city of Barrie. This home's got a great curb appeal, over 60 feet of frontage. We'll talk more about this neighborhood in a minute. Let's go have a peek at this house.
Folks, this property boasts almost 1,600 square feet. It's an open concept design. There's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and some great architectural details. Check it out.
Oh, hey guys, just getting a bit of a workout in here. You know, the beauty with these bungalows is that space you have on the main floor, you get again down in the basement. There's so much room down here. Easily do a home gym, rec room for the kids. 3rd bedroom, it's only limited to your imagination down here.
You might want to stick with the home gym. Folks, we can't say enough about this neighborhood here. The proximity to the walking trails, biking trails, beaches, waterfront, it's all just at your doorstep here. The GO train's just around the corner. This is an amazing location here.
That's right, Unc. We got some of the best schools in the city of Barrie, not to mention the parks. This home's got it all. It's all brick, newer roof on there. There's nothing to do but move in, make it your own. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.